Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I want to quickly mention a couple of things. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Typically, this will also mean that your device will become FRP locked, meaning you'll need to verify either the Huawei account that was signed in on here or the screen lock. But if you only have a screen lock and no Huawei ID, I think you can just get rid of it and not have any kind of verification later on. Number two is all the data stored on here will be completely deleted. So if you have anything that you'd like to preserve, better back it up. Now, if you can't unlock the device, you might not really have an option to do so. And anyway, to get started, I'm going to lock the device and proceed from here as though I don't know the screen lock. So first thing is we're going to be holding our power button till we get the boot options. Sometime you might get the Celia or whatever it is. If you first see this, continue holding the power button till you see this screen. Select power off, and this will now turn off your device. Now, I don't exactly remember if we need to hold power button and volume up or down. I think it's volume up, so that's what I'm going to attempt right here. So power button and volume up at the same time. Let's try that. Hopefully that's the correct one. I'm going to let go of the power button when the Huawei logo shows up on the screen. And I was correct. Good. So while we're in this mode, all you need to do is select clear data, and I think we can actually touch on it. Yep. So it is a touch. This mode allows you to just interact with it normally. I'm clarifying this because most devices force you to use volume buttons to do so. So anyway, and here we're going to select factory reset. And as a confirmation, which you do need to confirm, all you need to do is just type in yes, regardless of your screen lock. And then once you type in yes, just select factory reset. And I believe once it's done, the device should, I think, automatically restart. Oh, no. So we're going to select back and restart. And this will now reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background. And once it's finished, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device in whatever way you want. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.